Hello and welcome to the second half of Module 2. This is RLA Module 2B, Central Ideas and Themes. Here we will complete working on the Central Ideas and Themes activity unit. Let's take a look at our task for this module. Our module objective is, by the end of this module, you will be able to identify evidence that supports an author's claim in order to understand and analyze author's point of view. Two more very important skills to have on the GED. So you will continue completing any unwaived lessons and drills on Aztec, completing the activity unit, central ideas, and themes. You'll also respond to a writing prompt on the Canvas discussion board. Then you will submit your best score for the post-test for activity unit, central ideas, and themes. So again, to work on Aztec, you will come log in. Once you log in, you'll see this screen. Go to View Classrooms. Then you'll come to your GED Language Art course. And this is where you completed your practice test. So to get to your lessons, come to your learning plan. Click the tab Learning Plan and click the section Central Ideas and Themes. So these are the lessons and drills that you should be working on. To complete the post-test, you'll come down here to Post-Test, and that's where you will complete the post-test and get your score to submit to me. So coming back to Canvas, first let's talk about the discussion, then I'll show you about submitting your score. So this discussion is to reread the same article that we read for Module 2A. I don't want to give you too much extra reading on top of Aztec, so we're going to look at this article again, and we're going to answer a different question about it. The question for this discussion is, what do you believe are the author's point of view and purpose? Write 3 to 5 sentences and give examples from the text to support your answer. Do not forget to write specific examples from the text. This is very important. So that's how you will complete the discussion. And after completing the lessons on Aztec, you should be able to point out the author's point of view and purpose. And again, message me on Remind if you have any questions about any of the assignments. And here is where you will submit your best score for the post-test or activity unit. This is a typo. We are on Central Ideas and Themes. So complete the Central Ideas and Themes post-test and submit that score here. And I will see you in Module 3.